Everybody is talking about AI. So our team was recently at the Association for Talent Development conference, huge conference, tens of thousands of people, and so many vendors and sessions were all about AI. And as people were walking the floor, you could just hear their cynicism, their fatigue of AI, everyone talking about AI. I just find it really fascinating that here we are, approaching 2 years after ChatGPT hit the market, and venture capitalists and customers and the public market are all starting to feel a little bit skeptical about how all these companies talked about AI, because it's not actually leading to increased revenue, which really what that means is it's not actually leading to increased value to everyday people, which is why they're not spending money on it. And I actually think that there's so much value in generative AI. But what I want to talk about is, how is AI being used to help develop people, and what is Cloverleaf's stance on that? So at the Association for Talent Development conference, there were a number of providers that said, hey, you can use AI, generative AI, to generate increasingly so many more learning opportunities for your people. It can personalize by, making it about onboarding or making it about, whatever career track they're on or where they are in their employee life cycle. And you can just have so much more content for so much less money, so much less resources, which is a gift to the constrained talent development departments 100%. However, if you consider, the history of learning technology that Josh Bersin recently came out with, we are on a trend in learning technology of just more content. And make it better, make it faster, make it flashier, make it more entertaining, make it shorter. And more content is not providing behavior change, it's not providing value, it's not moving the needle that we need it to move. And so I'm pretty skeptical actually of how a lot of learning tools are touting generative AI, because more is not going to solve people's problems. Our people are too inundated already. Less is actually what they need. They need so much less noise. They need so much less time requirement. They just need things that are truly the little bit of information they need in the moment to move the needle. And that is how Cloverleaf is using AI. We're not using it to generate gobloads more content. We're actually using it to just help synthesize and understand a person's scenario so that the content we're delivering is accurate and personalized to them. And actually, the content we're delivering is human reviewed many times over, because that content is the product our learners are getting. Learners don't need watered down content. That's the highest quality thing they need, is short, sweet content that truly is needed by them in the moment. So why would all these learning solutions think developing that through generative AI is going to be the way? It's actually just going to create a lot more noise and fatigue for our learners. We don't want that. We want more quality, not more quantity.